So this is how I caught this BTC trade. First of all, I go to the weekly time frame, guys. Now, once I get to the weekly time frame, I'm looking for the most recent break of structure. All right, so I'm able to see the most recent break of structure to the downside, and then this becomes the low that was formed, and then this becomes the high. All right, so after doing this, I go to the daily time frame. I want to understand the most recent trend of the market. All right, so when I get to the daily time frame, I can be able to spot this change of character, that is break of structure. All right, the first break of structure. I'm also able to spot this second break of structure to the downside. All right, so this is telling us that our bias is what? Bearish. All right, so now that we are bearish, all we need to do is to go to the 1 hour time frame. It is at the 1 hour time frame I look for my bearish order block. All right, so I'm looking for my bearish order block. So this is one. I was able to spot this last one here. This is a bearish order block, so I mark it to the swing high. This becomes my point of interest. On the 1 hour time frame, all what we are looking for is our point of interest. All right, a bearish point of interest. So this is it. Now this is the first time price came to our point of interest. This is the first time. All right, so now price has just come there. We'll go toward 5 minutes for confirmation and entry. All right, so in 5 minutes, this is it, guys. We saw that price was broken structure to the upside, 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 broken structure to the upside. At a point, we see what? A market structure shift. That is what? A change of character. All right, so we see a change of character. Boom. Now that we have a change of character, we wait for an extra break of structure to confirm the move. So this is an extra break of structure now to confirm that we are what? Bearish. All right, this was liquidity that was swept at this level before the change of character happened. All right, so now we'll have a break of structure to that same level. Then the low of the break of structure becomes our inducement point. Why? Because some traders want to enter off that zone, all right, and put their stop loss below that order block. All right, their stop loss will be just below this guy, so that makes this place to be very attractive. All right, because a lot of people entered from this order block and their stop loss was what? Just below this guy. So we, that is smart money, we want to exchange orders. All right, we want to exchange order, so we don't really need to enter on this first guy. We enter on the order block extreme. All right, so I check very well. I see an unmitigated order block that is at the extreme. This is it, guy. Boom. And then what do? I take trade from that order block like this. I take trade from that order block, and then my stop loss will just be below that order block. Okay, my stop loss will be below the order block, something like this here. All right, yes, my stop loss is below this order block, so I'm expecting that price should what? Come down, tap in my order, then give us what? A profit. Okay, so that is what my expectation is. Now let us see what happened. Now zoom out. You see how price came. You see it. This is a wonderful trade, guys. A wonderful trade. This is it. Let me adjust this guy. Now this is it. Now in adjusting this guy to this area, you can see it very clean. You can see it. You can see it. If I adjust it, this is where I took the trade from, and you can see how it played out massively. Very clean. This is 1:6 thereabout. You see how it plays out very clean. So that is how you can take trade like this.